Your fellow Ghanaians, Munjame, assembly be peer police for a while, and check now, some like get to take away. No, now, same way the Muashi be peer pema camp, ye penny national, some member of a crapping polo. Now, mean discipline or answer and the number. Enti a crapping until I'm
me show you.
Now, tell me, 1 year crapping polo.
I'm the #1 best promoter in Ghana here.
I guess I'm not your best promoter, yes, sir.
Yes.
At the end of the day, so far, what's my promoter to do?
The Cardi B show here in Ghana. Me, I'm a smart girl. So smart. That is one thing they don't know about me. If I want to penetrate into something, I'll make sure I penetrate well.
So Saudi Mamma, not just a wow, you two say in Quasam, the wood did Ghana, my yes, sir.
Yes.
And then I won't tell me about them, and a big shower when you were cheap present or Tumba Bank to Mamma Ferry, a better, so I'm ultimately you will be. What are you?
Forgive me.
When him says Sadia, why is our fellow celebrities in the crown pony, they say?
Most of the celebrities see me as a stupid girl.
And our face to say, show beyond Pubampa.
Nothing will click their mind to call a foolish girl like Polo.
Now, the only child by that you wouldn't saw Bano or call Bafu Frubi, who are soon to grab a catch and say, Fimi call and Yawu Mamene.
Capping Polo.
Now, anyway, we are there now, actually, Ghana man.
Me.
Come on, to Yamane Park, come be chill. About Ben Kra, no fear.
Missing that quality, I yes, how. What was a Ghana for the Yasin? Nam since and Chumagu and Cabeza. So Tungu Potos and Cabeza. And yes, any preacher, but now when you are quadron to quite of us can't tell yes. I quadron to the talk for to magic go. Who was the same crapping for bomb bra? And you ever get a crapping for Guadia, Debbie? Huh? Who was saying when Yamno? Who was saying when Yam? Yes, crapping if you polo no. Yes, not Polo. Polo, the cranny, Yamaja Fusan.